In today's class, we are going to discuss how we have to operate on the file in C++. As in the previous classes, we have discussed there are many functions that can be used to read and write onto the file. First two functions example we have to take. One is get function and one is put function. In C, if you remind, we are using getC and putC for writing character and reading the character, and getW putW is used for reading the number and writing the number. But in C++, get function and put function is used to write all kind of characters and numbers and reading all types of characters and number. By the help of get and put, we can read the data and write the data in a file. Let's first comes to how we have to write the data in a file by the help of a put function in C++. As we have discussed, we use three stream functions: offstream, ifstream and fstream. Offstream for writing the value in a file, ifstream for reading the data into a file, and fstream for both reading and writing the data in a file. For ifstream, offstream and fstream classes, the header file to be used, that is fstream.h. If you don't use fstream.h, then stream classes for reading and writing will not work. Now, by the help of put function, we have to write the data in a file, and hence the stream class is used, that is offstream. Offstream and the file object, that is fout. Offstream is predefined, fout is the object which can be changeable. Char cs is a character variable, and we are opening the file demo.txt as user defined. It will create a file and data will be open in a write mode, because offstream uses the file in write mode. Fout open is the function which create demo.txt is the name of the file which open in write mode, and we have to write into the file. Hence we have to take the loop, that is do while loop, which is a post-state loop. See, we are input a value. Suppose we are inputting hello, then get function will take ch, means h, then it will write into the file, that is fout. Fout means it will write into the demo.txt. Then put is the functions to write the data. Now h is not equal to end of, yes, means next e will taken, again it is written into the file, that is demo.txt. This continues. When the end of the file will encounter, end of the file means while we are pressing Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z indicate the end of file. Now end of file not equal to end of file, it becomes false. It will come out of the loop. Then for secure purposes, file should be closed by the help of close function, fout.close, and a message is displayed on the console, data written successfully. Now if we move to the OS shell or the bin directory, demo.txt will be permanently saved, and whatever the data you entered, whatever, hello, hi, whatever, that is stored in the demo.txt. The purpose is, if you run the file, you get the output. If you don't run the program furthermore, if you open the file demo.txt, and the data will be written there. That is the main purpose of the file. We are running the file, we are getting the output. If you run the file and the output is stored in a file, then without the running the program, then we can get the output from the file. What is the main purpose of a file handling? We have to run this program at last. If we want to read that data we have written into the file by put function, then we have to use the get function. Hence the separate program is written, and the stream is used, that is your if stream. If stream is used for reading the data in a file. Object is taken, that is fin, and character variable is taken. Fin.open demo.txt, because in this file we have written previously. Now a message is displayed on the screen, data in a file which is user defined. Now we have to read the data till end of the file. Fin.endUp not equal to, yes, because the file pointer in the beginning of the file means data is present. Hence the while condition meets to true. Now it read the data. Fin.get, get is used to read the data from a file in character basis and stored in the ch. Suppose h is written, read from the file. Now h is displayed. Next automatically it goes to the next character, read the data. it is continuous till end of the file. When end of the file is encountered, it comes out of the loop and the file will be closed. Now data will be displayed, hello friends, whatever is written, or any other kind of data is written into the file. If we want to run this program, then what we have to do, moves to our respective editor. Suppose we have written this program previously in Turbo editor, and now I want to run this program. See, first we have to write the data in a file. My file is written is demo.txt. Whatever the discussion we made, this is the code is written there. Now I want to compile and run the program. Suppose I enter Sriram, then I enter Shreyansh, and now I put Control Z. The data is written successfully. If I want to open this file, then I have to move to the dash cell, type demo.txt. Now Sriram and Shreyansh is displayed, which is in that file. Now I have to exit from this environment. If I want to read this content by program, then I open the next file I have saved previously, and I want to run this program. See, for reading the data, same get function is written, and I run it. Now you see the data is displayed on the screen, Sriram and Shreyansh, that is written at the time of writing the program by put function. Hence, the program is run by the help of a get function and put function. I think this session is essential to you. You understand this, and if you are having any doubt, please make the comments. If you like the video, kindly like it. And in the next class, we are coming with read function and write function for writing the record wise data and reading the record wise data from the file. Thank you. See you in the next class.